Exactly 1 week from today, Natalie will be at the wedding altar. There's still time to think about this.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, a lot on my mind lately.
Yeah, I know you've been excited.
Very.
Yeah, and hot around here today.
Oh my goodness. Temperatures triple digits today. Hit 100 degrees now officially out at Camp Mabry. So very hot, well above what we typically see this time of year. So one of the best places to hang out on a day like this, of course, Barton Springs Pool. A beautiful day to be out there. Of course, hopefully everybody has their sunscreen on. The sun's very strong this time of year here in Central Texas. And if you think about it, with temperatures we're seeing this weekend, it's actually going to feel hotter, or actually be hotter than a typical 4th of July weekend here in Central Texas. Live look outside our 360 tower camera. This is the reason why. Beautiful blue skies all across the area. Not a cloud in sight. It's going to stay that way for the rest of your evening. Current temperatures in the mid-90s. By 8 p.m. we'll drop into the low 90s. 10 p.m. tonight, it's still going to be very warm. Only 86 at that time in the evening. Current temperatures across the area, very hot in Llano, Mason, San Saba, all over 100 degrees right now. 99 in Georgetown, 94 in Bastrop, 93 in San Marcos. So across the board, if you're going to be out this evening, prepare to sweat a little bit. It is on the toasty side. When you add in the humidity, how it's going to feel even warmer. These are the feels like temperatures, or the heat index values out there. And feels like 102 in Austin, and out at the airport feels like 106 right now in Llano. So you'll definitely need your water for the rest of the evening. Clear skies at both Camp Mabry though and ABIA. Dew points in the upper 60s. Winds, a bit of a breeze. We've seen that wind anywhere between 10, 20 all afternoon long. So it's been helping, but it still feels pretty brutal outside. A satellite radar shows with high pressure and control, not a cloud over the state of Texas for the time being. And as we go through the overnight hours, we'll start to see that cloud cover creep its way back in. We have enough moisture in the lower levels of the atmosphere to start out Sunday on the cloudy sky, but it will be warm. Temperatures are still going to only drop into the 70s overnight tonight. Through tomorrow afternoon, those clouds clear very quickly. Lots of sunshine expected on your Sunday, and expect another very hot afternoon and a breezy one. Winds are going to stay out of the south anywhere between 10 and 20 miles an hour. That'll make for a bit of a bumpy conditions out on the lakes, kicking up those waves a little bit out on, especially on Lake Travis. Into your Tuesday, or into your Monday, I should say, into your Memorial Day. Same sort of situation. Starting out with the cloud cover, sun by the afternoon, and another very hot day expected. Tonight, here's what we can expect. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, really across the board. For tomorrow, temperatures again mid to upper 90s out there. 77 for your overnight low in the Austin area. For tomorrow, 97 your afternoon high, starting out with cloud cover in the morning. By the afternoon, much more sun is expected with a breeze, and that 7-day forecast shows these very hot conditions aren't going to go anywhere into your Memorial Day. Starting out again 77, 96 for the afternoon. Back to work on Tuesday, and it's still hot, mid 90s all week long.